Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see today, Gary Black trash Tesla. Completely trash Tesla. Says all these cuts, configurator cuts, all this stuff. The stock was at 237 when I got up. Nvidia was at 463. So it's down 4. SPX was up 22. SPX was up 22. Now it's only up, 8? It's 5. It's only up 5. Sure looks like it's going to go negative pre-Powell, pre-everything. So here's the thing. The banks are in trouble, and I'm still reading. Nobody is understanding. So why would Powell do this? Everybody is saying they're going to slam the rates higher again, and then you're going to get a credit event. And then you're going to get a bank to fail. Then you're going to have a huge thing. And what I'm hearing is, this is kind of interesting, that the Fed wants all these banks to fail and just say, you're done. You got stupid. You're done. And if they have less banks, they have less problem in the future. Very interesting concept, right? Maybe that's what they do. You would have thought yesterday, I was pretty adamant about they're going to take it up because you can't just go kill jobs and kill banks. But, you never know. Maybe that's what they want to do. No idea. But so just keep an eye on this. If Nvidia doesn't do great, are they going to slam the NASDAQ 500 points in one day? Everything is possible. Okay? Great week so far. SCMI, more than a double. Now more than a double. Tesla, 4X. Lam Research was up. Nvidia, people had Nvidia, that was up. Meta was a double. Everything was a double plus. Have to trade them. Or you take your shots, you trade some of them, and wait. And then you see. Now, if Nvidia is great, it's going to go to 500. Everything's going to follow. And then we see. But it's very intriguing to me that all of Wall Street wouldn't be smart enough to say, wait a second here. S&P, Fitch, and Moody's are all telling you banks are bad, and the Fed is telling you we don't give a shit. So, very interesting. Very interesting. That's what we know. Okay? And that's it. Very straightforward today. Okay, let's get going here. 8/23, end of month. So now end of month is coming. So we see what happens. Okay? So the Nvidia thing is not about how much money they make. Nobody cares about all that. It only cares about how many orders are they getting and how much can they produce. If they say they have, $100 billion in backlog, but they can't deliver it for 3 years, then that's not very good, right? So, because those orders can go away, you can get a competitor, all this other stuff, okay? So we haven't got a hedge yet, but we'll probably add a hedge somewhere in the day, and that's what we know. SPX up 3, it's about to go negative, 43.82, 43.52. 43.52, starting to look ugly. It gave back 22 points already, okay? But the techs are holding relatively well, but they may slam this. I'm actually looking at the 43.70s, 43.65s, and may do those in about an hour or so, or maybe even over when I'm done with this, if we were to go negative. Why? Just because yesterday was an up day. It should not have gone down. It did go down, and that's it. If it goes down, then that's okay. You just have to play what you got. And this is really starting to go down faster. Hold on a sec. 65. I'm going to go buy these. Let's go buy the 70s. That may be better. 70s. I'm going to go buy the 70s. So if anybody wants to watch or go do it, let me go figure out how to get this in there fast because I didn't set it up. Sell the close. Why is this not working? Well, this is a problem here. It's a dot SPX. SPX. Yeah, the problem is you got to fill this in manually. 23, put pre-market session, buy to open, 50, just smaller order, just for the hell of it, because we should be way up 0.6, and we're not. So place it. It did not fill. Why did it not fill? Oh, because it moved. Hold on a second. 4.7. Oh, not filled. Okay. Filled, bought SPX. Okay. Late report. Okay, 460. 43.70 is the 4. But it's just a hedge, okay? So, hold on. I'm going to push it around. Bought SPX 43.70 at 4.6. Okay, bought SPX 43.70 at 4.6. Put it in the room. Give me a second. We're up 22 when I got up this morning. Now, they bounce off this area, but then we see. Okay, so that's what we know. But if it doesn't, it's going to go to 43.52. Okay, Avago. Way up. The news on it is great, but here's the thing. They still can't get this deal done. If they can't get this deal done, they wasted a year and all this money doing this deal, and let's see what happens. 866, 882, underneath 832. If Nvidia misses, Avago can go to 815. Wow, 815. So that's kind of an interesting hedge if you want to do. Nvidia, 464, 482. Underneath 432. Lam Research, 682, got there yesterday and dropped 16. Under 652. Meta. How come this one's not going? This is crazy. 293, 301, underneath 281. PanW, 246, 231. Zscaler, 142, 147. AMD, 106, 109. Apple, 179, 173. Lilly is moving, starting to break out again. 562 next, 538 on the downside. MDB. Snow earnings are today too, guys. So if Snow misses or guides down, then MDB is going to go down 30. Okay, you got 332. And you got 391 if Snow is great. If Snow is great, it got 272, 281. Carvana can't seem to get through 42. Trading up to it. Caterpillar continues to do nothing. Down 25 after that earnings report. Once again, we're telling you, these earnings report last for a week, and that's it. Not helping you. Marvell, earnings coming tomorrow. If Nvidia is good, Marvell's way up. Marvell, another one. You had $1.20 profit on it. Way up there. Okay, so manage account on that one. 67. SMCI, 263, 281. NOW, 566, 582. Microsoft, trying to get 330 back. Tesla, very straightforward. This is 238. 238. That's what we know. Let me go to comments. Questions. Canada only has nationalized banks. Banks falling, helping the employment issue. What was the answer to the Tesla quiz? 50 cents. 50 cents. And it's so simple you can't even do it, but I'll never tell you why it's so simple. Okay, everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat. Thanks, everyone.